Tired of scratchy, crunchy towels? Let's learn how to keep them fresh and fluffy. According to the American Cleaning Institute, towels should be washed every 3 to 5 use, as long as they're hung up to dry completely between each use. But don't stress. In many cases, once a week should be plenty, especially for hand towels. Live alone or sure that you're the only one using that towel? You can probably stretch it a few extra days. Got kids or pets, or maybe some members of your household forget to hang their towels up. You might need to wash them more frequently, potentially every few days. And anything used to dry your face should ideally be washed after 1 or 2 uses. Now, let's talk about washing. Over time, towels can get crispy and scratchy, but there's an easy fix. Soak them in a mix of water and white vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar to 4 cups of water. Rinse them off and then machine wash at 40 degrees Celsius. Make sure the load is no more than 3/4 full so your towels can move around. And avoid the fabric softener. Use less detergent instead. Once done, shake those towels vigorously to fluff them up. Dry them on a line or pop them in the tumble dryer. No garden or tumble dryer? A heated clothes area works wonders. There you have it. Follow these simple tips and enjoy fresh, fluffy towels every time.